Hi, Mara here from the Ithaca Children's Garden. I'm one of the educators, and I'm here today to suggest an activity to do with your kids while you're outside walking. This is a good activity to do with like 2-year-olds up to maybe 6-7-year-olds, and it's going on a color walk. So a great way to engage your children while you're outside walking is encouraging them to look for different colors on their walk and collecting them.
Gather up what you'll need: a bucket, basket, box, or other container to collect objects in, and a copy of a color wheel as a guide. You can find this color wheel at ithacachildrensgarden.org/colorhunt, or you can draw one yourself.
Using the color wheel as a guide, take a walk around your yard or neighborhood looking for small items to match to the colors. You can set guidelines for your items, such as only natural materials or items that must fit in your hand. Collect items in your container as you go.
With spring, it's a really easy time to find lots of flowers for some of the brighter colors. So here we can find yellow and purple, or maybe kids would call them blue. Maybe you can come across things like feathers and encourage them to find black or white or brown.
Noticing details in an environment is a learned skill, and some younger children may benefit from a bit of encouragement. Adults and older children can help guide younger children by saying, "I see something orange over there. Let's go see what we can find." When you get home, look through the items you have collected. Try to match the objects with the colors on your wheel. Use glue to attach the items to your color wheel. Not into the mess glue entails. Match your items to the colors on the color wheel and snap a photo. Keep the color explorations going. On your next adventure, build off the basic color wheel and explore shades of colors. Are all greens the same? What about yellows? How many different shades of brown can you find?
So a color walk is a great way to encourage young children to get some exercise right now while we're stuck inside, and I hope you have fun.